Good morning, you guys. I'm back.
Bright and early.
With my special guests. It's always so much more fun when TJ tags along. I have a lot of garage sales that I'm planning on hitting today. A huge list, and my goal is that we hit all of them.
I can't wait.
I think the last one we're gonna hit up is a church sale. So I'm excited. Yeah, it's gonna be great. So come along with us. It's gonna be fun.
I've already started the mileage tracker.
Yeah.
So even if we come back empty-handed, we still make money. 50 cents a mile.
Heck yeah.
Ish.
Here we go.
I mean, we can't lose.
Peach, can you wear this?
No, I'm good.
You don't want the honor of wearing the GoPro?
I couldn't take that from you.
Yeah, those are all the letters.
This is good, right? Street Fighter 2.
Yeah.
2 is the best one.
Yeah.
Ken and Ryu, just regular Street Fighter.
Oh, see?
They got Zangief.
That's cool though.
Wait, check the back. Check the back. They got Zangief.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's sick.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put this back.
No, I want it. Stop.
I'm joking.
Oh.
You want it?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's so cool.
Something.
You did something.
You know what capitalism is?
How much for you?
So in college, we used to buy these. We used to buy this for $1, and then we would cut off the front and mold it to our mouths, and then we'd buy a little bag of jewels from like Joann's Fabrics, and we glue jewels all over the front, and then we walk around with grills in our mouths.
Yeah, you'd make your own grill
about
kit.
$2. And you know what? We wanted to make a business, make your own grill kit, but somebody was gonna choke and die and sue us, so we decided not to.
Smart. How much do you need?
Is this your Street Fighter shirt?
It's his older brother's. Yeah. He has one.
Are you sure you want to sell it?
Yeah.
You got 5, 10, 15, and that was 3 and 2 for 20. 15? Yeah, that sounds like awesome.
Hey. Here you go. Thank you so much. They're not even set up yet.
Maybe that is the garage sale. It's just, we have some tables we're getting rid of.
There we go. Come on.
This one looks like a gold mine.
This one looks pretty good. Fine. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
The family credit card game. Now the whole family can go into crippling debt. Okay, I really want this.
Okay, we're getting it. Yeah, we're getting it. Oh. Oops. Please, will you help me? Oh gosh. Here. Okay, lift it up and I'll hang these back up. Okay. Ooh. Okay, hold her.
And then put it back as well. I'll just hey, Tina! Gun safe!
25. Okay, that sounds great.
There you go. 25. 20.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
I have an Amazon eBay store.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Everything that...
Holder.
Yeah. Do you have general pricing on stuff? Like
like the clothing, like...
Ooh.
We just try to liquidate whatever doesn't sell, just here, sell it here. About 17.
you in the middle?
That's a really good deal because these, they're, I'm pretty much giving you that one for free.
Okay, I'll give you.
All right.
There you go.
You got it. You ready?
Yeah, check them in.
It's 5 rings. No, 5.
What's that? Oh my gosh. Oh, good. That is so cute. Oh my gosh.
Like,
We should get this for the kids.
You have to have it.
I have to have it.
I had a box full of stuff for my own cord toy. The same thing. That's 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, great.
Cool, thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you.
Gotta protect the eggs.
How you doing?
Good morning. Good.
Where is everybody?
You missed them. I just had a little rush before.
Oh, did you? Okay.
You guys sell on eBay?
Yeah.
Your videos.
Oh, you
Oh my
watch.
gosh.
Well, thank you. I'm honored.
We're always looking for treasures.
Yeah, always looking for treasures.
So I used to paint furniture.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's great.
Awesome. Cookies, huh? Zoomies, I used to shop there. My mom hated it. TJ, what do you want to wear? Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm honored.
Good luck with everything today.
Good.
May the heavens bring the crowds. to
Yeah.
you. You take care. The boom may have been a meteor.
What?
That's what they said.
A meteor?
Yeah.
Teach, do you recognize this?
I've seen it before. I could not tell you. Mailbox brand.
Postmark.
Postmark. I was gonna say Postmates.
Orange shoes. These are cool. I like these shoes. Those are fun. We're far into it. I'm getting tired by it all.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Round up to 10.
If we
For
can
the
round up
church?
to 10, I feel good
Perfect.
about it.
Let's
It is.
do it.
I will be glad to do that. Thanks for you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
I know it is an adventure to dig through our clothes.
Oh, I love, that's my favorite adventure.
Do you?
Yeah,
Oh,
love
nice.
it.
I'm glad we could provide the experience.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Have a good
Appreciate
day.
it.
Look at us.
Okay.
There we go. This is a
I
great
think I
day.
saw, I was looking at comps and it was like 2 or 3 sold just yesterday.
They sell so fast.
And it
Toner's
was
like the
25,
best.
$30.
And when it's name brand like that, that's really good. All right, I think we got a good haul. That was a really
That was a good haul.
That was a really good day. Really good bargains. That was last one. Teach, I can't believe we got that for $10, that box, because there's a lot of really good stuff in there. There's hundreds of dollars worth of stuff in
They're
there.
just giving it away.
Yeah,
Like,
so
how about $1 each? Perfect.
perfect. A good day. What treat
Wait,
do I deserve?
and you didn't say the most exciting thing.
What?
We clocked 50 miles.
Yeah,
That's like a free $25 write-off.
that's true actually.
So think about that.
That's true. They didn't have blow pops?
I just got Tootsie Roll Pop, but I got the red one, so I lucked out.
Yeah.
All right, so an amazing yard sale Saturday, as you guys saw. Well over $1,000 in profit here. Tons of great finds. I could not believe all those amazing t-shirt finds I found at that one yard sale. And now I'm gonna share what's already sold because I have gotten those items listed. Like I mentioned, I'm really trying to have no death piles and get everything listed as quickly as possible the day of. You guys can help keep me accountable, but here's what's sold. The Lulu Guinness glasses, the bifocals. It was funny, those were all like bifocal glasses. The Lulu Guinnesses though sold for $30. I knew those would be on the lower end. The other ones do have watchers, so I'm optimistic that they'll sell as well. But yeah, they sold for $30 plus shipping. The Chicago Bulls jersey had no branding, so it was unbranded, but it still sold for $30 plus shipping pretty quickly. So that was my full asking price. I'm super happy with that. I picked up 3 Lucky Brand tunics. 2 of them sold for $14 each to the same buyer. Totally happy with that considering I paid like $1 each for them. The Vlone Weekend Collab Tee, the After Hours Drip Tee, sold for $65 plus shipping, and that sold pretty quickly as well. So happy with that. I could not believe it when I found it. A tip to look out for when you're trying to determine if like a t-shirt might be a good quality or not, I mean obviously look it up, but when something is tube knit and it does not have the seam on the side, that's usually a good sign that it's a higher quality tee, so be on the lookout for that. That was kind of what tipped me off. At that yard sale, it was 4 items for $10 in the clothing department, so $2.50 into $65, I'll take that any day. So everything that sold is pretty much paid for everything I found that day, and the rest will just be pure profit. I will definitely keep you guys posted on whether or not it sells, but I appreciate you so much for tuning in. I love sharing my yard sale adventures with all of you. It just makes it that much more fun. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for all kinds of content about running your business online. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.